Hello and welcome to Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara. So, private virtual digital assets or the VDA markets rebounded in the beginning of this week following the latest US employment data, which makes the case for the Federal Reserve to affect interest rates hike in the next meeting, forcing rate-aware investors to seek safety in the alternative assets such as cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin was hovering around $28,500 levels. If you talk about the IC15 index of cryptocurrency, was trading higher by 1.3% at 38,380 points. If we talk about the economic front, the data released in the previous week in the US showed that the non-farm payroll data increased to 2,36,000, and however it was below the market expectations of 2,39,000. The unemployment rate fell to 3.5% versus the previous month's rate of 3.6%. The Labor Department reported has been taken note in the markets. Further, with the earnings season on the horizon and the expectation of the depressed banking sector performance, the investors are expected to resume buying or the VDAs after the previous week's stalled rally. That's what the analysts have said. Not to forget the Ethereum's much talked about Shanghai upgrade, which is actually drawing a lot of attention in the market. There is remarkable improvement in the trading activities. The Ethereum blockchain's Sharpel upgrade is slated to occur on the April 12th. And this marks the second most significant milestone in the Ethereum's developer journey post the merge, which happened in September 2022. The transition from the PO work, which is actually the POW, to the proof of stake, it happened. However, the Ethereum network's Sharpel upgrade is expected to transform the liquidity staking landscape, making Ethereum the benchmark yield. That's what the analysts have said. If we talk about the overall global cryptocurrency market cap, was trading around 1.19. The global cryptocurrency market cap was around 1.19 trillion, which has shown an increase of 1.3% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume increased by 5% at $29 billion. In another interesting news, Binance, the world's largest virtual digital asset marketplace, is facing the regulatory concerns, with questions being raised over its operations and adherence to the corporate governance standards. Recently, the United Arab Emirates Virtual Assets Authority, which is VARA, is also asking Binance to submit more detailed information on its ownership structure, governance, and the auditing procedure. That's what is the buzz in the market. Meanwhile, the Circle Internet Financial's USDC stablecoin, which is second largest stablecoin at $42 billion for the market cap, depegged from its US dollar as contagion from the collapse of the SVB bank spreads. And if you want to keep an eye on all the important events in the crypto market, please keep an eye on key events which you have to keep an eye on. March US CPI inflation data. Second is the minutes of US Federal Reserve's March meeting. Third, US PPI inflation data and US retail sales data. However, this week's economic data will determine the Federal Reserve's next move in order to tame inflation. The US equities futures were steady as investors looked ahead to the key inflation data and the start of the first quarter earnings season. Futures tied to the broad-based markets, S&P 500, were down by 0.05%. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures edged up only 2 points, or it was flat. Nasdaq 100 futures shed by around 0.3%. If we talk about the overall Bitcoin, and the largest cryptocurrency, was trading at $28,335, up by 1.5%. Bitcoin, the most popular private virtual asset, reclaimed $28,400 previously amid growing trade participation. The leading coin has attracted interest from the miners in the recent month due to the price discovery experience since the beginning of this year. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1.2% at $1,858. If we talk about other altcoins, on my left is Binance BNB, was trading up by 1% at $313. Solana Sol was next on the list, was up by 1.2% to trade at $20.3. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.5% at $0.38. So keep an eye on this news. As per the on-chain data analysis, Cardano whales are on an accumulating spree for over the past 2 weeks. The whale addresses added around to 560 million ADA tokens, approximately worth $280 million in this period of the time, reports have actually said. Next on the list was Avalanche AVAX at trading at $17.6, higher by 2%. Avalanche went live with its upgrade marketing, Avalanche went live with its upgrade, marking the readiness of a switch between the X chain and the Snowman++ consensus. The network's upgrade is expected to improve support for the exchange and may bring faster development, analysts have said. Next on the list was Polygon Matic, was trading up by 0.5% at $1.1. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2% at $0.083. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.7%. Next on the list was Ripple's XRP token, which traded at $0.50, up by 0.3%. Last on the list was Polkadot, was trading up by 1% at $6.2. Let's cut across to our sector and listen and understand what is his opinion and view about the crypto markets.
You know, in the past couple of years, we have seen dramatic changes in the entire global financial markets, where the interest rates, have hardened a lot from almost, nil to wherever they are right now, and on the verge of, the fag end of the rate hiking cycle. And shortly, I think all the risks have been, as of now, factored in as far as, currency, financial markets, global financial markets are concerned. Because in a few days, in a few months, we will see the rates stabilizing and maybe going down, and there is a possibility of the Russian and Ukrainian war, which has been more or less discounted thoroughly by the market.
Sure.
Also, ending, and there could be a sudden end at any point of time. So all these things, once factored in, they clear a lot of clouds in front of us. Especially in the global financial crypto markets.
That's all there is in Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dara signing off. But keep watching 3.0 TV for more such interesting updates, analysis from the crypto world. Thank you.
We will keep you connected to the evolving world of NFTs.
For accurate and latest updates of cryptocurrency markets and global regulations.
Metaverse and Web3.
3.0 TV covers the latest crypto crimes.
Keeps you updated about the global crypto events and exhibitions.